So my name is Sniper. Would you mind just to switch the vehicle off and just step outside for a second, please?
Yeah.
Is that your...
No, my son is there.
Oh,
Just put his back.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the way you parked, look
Okay,
at this, is
yeah.
right on the street. Yeah, I also spoke with the headmaster now. I'm employed now to look at that.
Okay.
They don't want to come down too harsh. So they employed me from Cape Town now just to look at that. And I must admit, we've got a lot of that. Do you normally park like
No,
this?
no, I'm from Joburg.
Oh, I see, I
Just
see.
got you today, yeah.
So what is the surname of your surname? Ube.
Yeah.
Okay, we will put the R1,000 onto the school's, what do you call it, school fonds.
Okay.
Dit sal op dit kom, so dan kan jy maar afbetaal daar. So hoef nie dadelik te betaal nie, hoor.
Was so fine man now?
Yeah, well, unfortunately, because the headmaster,
Yeah, 100%.
the headmaster was unfortunately right here, you know. Did you tell your dad about it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, they've got a letter. They've got a letter they will hand over.
Dis nou 'n prefect, né? Kan jy dit nou oor vertel? Yes, nice, Jaden. Okay, nee, sonder dankie. Dis wat
All right. So, but may I also ask, you know, and I know this is very personal, but I apologize for that. Very dirty. And no, really, because the headmaster also asked, a lot of people come here with fancy cars, and we don't want to give the idea that this school is lower class. You know what I'm getting at. I don't think a wash is necessary, just maybe a spray.
Sure, okay, dit is 'n bietjie persoonlik. Ek meen dit is nie weer en sulke goed so.
But you don't stay on a farm?
Nee, ons Diemersfontein wat so 'n mine estate. So
Oh no, but there's the gravel road there.
Ja, nee.
No, of course then it's not your, then it's not, you know what I'm getting at, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And then just the last thing, sir, normally when people park like that,
Yeah.
they don't have a license. Because I mean, this is really, it looks like you don't have a, can you
Yeah,
just maybe
exactly.
proof of license? And I really apologize for that. I really apologize for that.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah. But so this can be fake. You know, normally when people park like that, they also use fake IDs. You know what I'm saying? Is it?
Ek weet nie of my 'n prank of wat nie.
Meneer, my naam is JD. Hy's daar met kamera. Jy's op my nuwe show JD Pranks.
Ek het seker dink so. Ja, 100%.
Gee my 'n lekker spaal daar, brother. Jy het seker op 'n stadion gedink dis is too much.
Nee, ek dog ek gaan hier daai se nek nou omdraai. Ek het pas afval. Dis 100%.
Alright, brother, so kyk na die lens en sê JD Pranks, jy het my.
JD Pranks, jy het my.
Daar's hy. Alright, dankie vir julle.